Knowing keeping your horny wife up at night, introducing the cock blocker. It takes away your snowing forever, but your sex life is over. This revolutionary design makes you not suck dick. It looks like a dick, but not a dick. It just makes your life uncomfortable. FDA did not approve this. They just looked at it, laughed, and threw it away. As you see here, the sperm enters your mouth, makes you stop snowing instantly. Water up, your jaw goes up, suck the dick, it works perfectly. No satisfaction guaranteed. Finally have those gay fantasies. Whoop-de-doo. This is the shit. If I could finally go to sleep, but there is no more sex. No.
Hi this, I'll throw in another one, just for you. You only, sexy. Finally have those gay dreams, Worth it. Are you breaking up with me? I'm not dating this faggot. No, no, no. Mwah, I felt nothing. I only have 9 days to live. You should not buy this shit.
Hey guys, sorry for the late delay. I had too much work and I went to Mexico. We'll probably have a video running this week or next week, so stay tuned. Bye.
The fuck? Productions.